Okay, here's a look at my cabinet, the mother plants I'm talking about. I have some up on the other shelf as well. Let's pull a few of them out of here. All right, this is the elbow. No, this is just Tortilla Gold. I have a bunch of corms of this one as well. I have several of those plants though. I mean, many of the plants. This is the elbow. And I have, I don't know how many corms, probably 6 or 7 of this one here. And actually put some in the pond. Here we have, you know this plant up very well. This is the mellow. Corms from this one as well. I just don't know what to do with all these corms right now. And this is the venom. And she is drinking much too fast for me. We have some old leaves. Do we have any new growth? Okay. I mean, this thing is bone dry already, and I just filled it up last week. So, and this one here, I mean, it's something just taking off. Look at that new leaf. Oh, that's going to be gorgeous. Oh my goodness, that's going to be gorgeous. Look at that maroon, purplish maroon. This one here, same as this one. I just filled it up last weekend, actually on Sunday. And it's thirsty already. It's a lot more work than I anticipated. And this is, I want to say purpley. It is. This is the purpley. Yeah. I have, that's not the mother plant on that one though. I don't know what one that might be. And here we have, this is the Noblesse, pink Noblesse. Here, we have corms for this one as well. Okay, set that there. Actually, I'm gonna put that in the salt water today. And this one here, what is this? This is the Pasado. Pink Pasado. And actually looks better than it did last week. Looks pretty doggone good to me. Got a leaf dying, but I got new growth coming here. And this one is dry as well. Just filled these up on Sunday. Yeah, they're drinking fast. And this is the Adora. Look at that now, that's gorgeous. And these are my serrans. Now they grow fast in the cabinet, under the light. And actually I'm gonna take them out here today.